Hey, let's go. A few years ago in Seattle, I met one of my favorite food truck entrepreneurs, Jesse Marshall. He's the owner of my Sweet Lil Cakes food truck, and honestly, makes some of the best desserts I've ever had. Today, I'm catching up with him to see how things have changed.
Our food truck was stolen. It was actually stolen from right in front of our property here. We love Myra. That's the name of our food truck.
Right.
But since then, we've kind of pivoted, and we've been trying to do as much as we can to still serve our sweet cakes throughout the community.
It astounds me to think that somebody would just look at a food truck and say, hey, I think I'm gonna take that. What blows my mind even more is your resiliency. You decided to turn things around.
Well, thank you, and I think it also lends itself to kind of just, even during hard times, the common spirit of good, because a lot of people have, jumped in and joined our GoFundMe, and, people have shown such community support.
Well, and the thing is about the food that you've prepared and the things that you do for your community, it's more than just a sweet treat, isn't it?
It is. We wanted to offer a gourmet alternative, the classic American deep-fried corn dog. And so we started with our custom-made waffle irons that we had cast, of course, in the shape of plump corn dogs.
Yeah.
And then each of our batters are made from scratch. Today's special, what you're going to really enjoy, which is our quiche cake with grass-fed beef, and it has delicious roasted red pepper.
If it's anything like the sweet cakes that I had 3 years ago, I already know I'm going to love it.
All right, well, get ready. We're going to knock your socks off.
Let's do it. Wow.
Yeah?
That was good.
Yeah, thank you.
Have you eaten at Sweet Lil Cakes before?
No, I have not.
You have not?
I have not.
It's got some ground beef in there. It's nice and hearty.
It's super fresh. Super fresh. All the ingredients are super yummy. Everything on the side. You gotta go back in for a second bite. That's good.
That's good.
It's got a tangy sauce on it.
Let that swirl around.
Oh, it's marinating. Oh, that sauce, Tomás. Let me tell you about that sauce. I don't know what's in it, but I love it.
Your ability to turn things around and come back, to pivot on a dime and offer something that's just as great as your tasty desserts.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.